Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the base and coupler of your Thermomix TM31. In this detailed guide, we will walk you through each step methodically to ensure a smooth process. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of spanners. These will be essential for removing screws and securing the components. First, ensure that your Thermomix TM31 is unplugged to avoid any risk of electric shock. Once unplugged, flip the device upside down to access the base. Here, you will notice several screws securing the base to the main body. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. It is vital to keep them in a safe place as you will need them for reassembly. Remember to note their locations as well, as they may vary in size. With the screws removed, gently prise the base away from the main unit. Be cautious not to use excessive force, as there are clips that could break if mishandled. Now that the base is off, you will see the coupler attachment. This is the component that actively connects the blades to the motor. If you notice any wear or damage, this is an ideal opportunity to replace it. To remove the coupler, you will need to unscrew it using the flathead screwdriver to release any securing tabs. Should you encounter resistance, double check that all screws have been fully removed. After taking out the coupler, check the internal components for any debris or buildup that could affect performance. A gentle cleaning using a damp cloth can help maintain the longevity of your device. Remember not to use abrasive materials as they can scratch the surface. If you feel that this seems too tricky or you encounter technical issues, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team is ready to assist you with any concerns. Once everything is clean, it's time to replace the coupler with a new one. Align it carefully and ensure that it sits securely in place. Replace any screws you removed during disassembly, ensuring everything is tightly fastened. Next, it's time to reattach the base. Align the clips and push the base down into position, ensuring a snug fit. Then, replace all screws that secure the base to the main body, checking that everything is properly aligned. For added convenience, we offer collection and delivery at your home, so if you prefer not to handle this yourself, just reach out and we'll take care of it. No calls, no travel, just a simple process to get your Thermomix running smoothly again. After securing the base, flip the Thermomix back to its upright position. Plug it in and conduct a quick test. Make sure that the motor engages correctly and that there are no unusual sounds. Finally, if you would like a quote before any repair, just get in touch with our experts. We want to ensure you are fully informed before proceeding with any further work. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. We hope you find it helpful as you maintain your Thermomix TM31. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.